Welcome back to the channel where we rise up together for positive change. If you're new here, this is Peasant Uprising, where I share my life stories and my life experiences with you so we can rise up together for a positive change. I encourage you to share your experiences with me and the rest of the community. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you'd like to hear more about this, and leave a like if you like this video. Alright, so I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the events going on and some of the things that have been on my mind. So let's get right to it. Now, I just want to say that this is certainly a time of difficulty, and a time where everyone needs to really have an open mind and understanding, and really take time to learn and educate yourself about a lot of the situations that have been going on for many years. It's only coming to a boiling point now, and a light is being shed on some of the realities that people have been going through for many years. I fully support the Black Lives Matter because I want our world to really encompass that all human beings are awesome and wonderful, and that we all should be able to intermingle and become one people, one human race, and not sectioned off into all these different variations based on just an external appearance. It's ridiculous. I really believe that we all belong together, and we can all work together to achieve a great life in this time that we have. So the topic of today's video is focusing on really working on yourself to improve your situation. Now, lately I've been going through a lot of depression and a real lack of energy and motivation to really get things accomplished that I want to accomplish, and that's something that I have been struggling with. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the ways I've been able to kind of start to turn that around, because it was really difficult. I actually took an entire month off, and it wasn't like that was my focus to take a break. I just didn't get things done and didn't work on things that typically I would have been doing. One of the key things to remember about depression is that, yes, it's a mental scenario that you're going through, but your body's physical state has a lot to do in the way of affecting that. So one of the focuses is going to be physical exercise, physical activity on a regular basis. So I kind of fell into that slump of not being all that active and kind of just taking every opportunity to let my mind unwind while my body rested. But what ends up happening is that your body doesn't release endorphins, and your mind doesn't get the circulation and the adrenaline and all the different things that come from physical activity. Staying active is really important. One of the things I've done to combat that for myself is I've dedicated every single day time for me to take a jog. So I take a jog around my neighborhood, and I think the distance is about 2 miles. And I can do that every single day. And today is the 15th day of doing that. So just over 2 weeks, and I feel a lot better. I'd say at least 10 times better than prior to starting it. And that's just from maintaining a consistent physical activity every single day. The other way that I've started to combat that is to look at really getting mental health in kind of the next step. So seeking out counseling services for some of the stuff that I've been going through. I'm still in the early stages of that, but that is the other focus. The consistency with running every day and keeping my body physically healthy has really improved my outlook, and it has improved my ability to plan and stick to the plan. So I'm planning on seeking out counseling, and I've been able to be a little more assertive with myself and say, yes, I'm going to get this done. So that is helping me move forward with that as well. Another thing that I've been doing is actually committing myself to reading every single day as well. It's something that I enjoy, but also you can get a lot of benefit from reading because A, the topic can benefit you, B, just the taking time for yourself can really help. It gives you a break. It allows you to just put the world away and pick up a book. So that is a real benefit there. Lastly, I just wanted to give a word of encouragement to anybody out there who's wanting to really make a change in their life. I grew up extremely dirt poor, and really had a lot of rough situations growing up. There's a lot of traumatic stuff that's still coming up for me in my 30s now that I'm working on. But I encourage you to not give up on your dreams, and I encourage you to work every day towards your goals. It's important that you keep yourself going, and it's important that you see that there is change. It's just that you have to keep working hard for it. I encourage you to continue working every single day to achieve the goals that you have set, and set those goals and know that it is attainable. It is going to take time, but you can do it. So I encourage you to do that, and I encourage everybody out there to stay safe, stand up for what you believe in, but stay safe and do it the right way. Let's not be destructive and cause undue harm to innocent people. We can make change, and we can do it in a safe and healthy way. Alright, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, slap that bell notification so YouTube will notify you of the next release. If you like this video, give it a like, and I would love to see your comments down below. I want to hear and see your ideas about this topic, and I want you guys to let me know what it is that you'd like me to cover next. So let's get some open topics, open discussions going. Alright guys, see you in the next one.